We are officially on our way to the Burbank Card Show. We're gonna hit preview night tonight. Should be good. A couple trade nights. We'll try to keep y'all updated each and every day for the Burbank Card Show. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe because it's going down. We just touched down, easy flight, took like an hour. Gonna go link up with Broke Skull right now, probably put a couple in the air, and then we're gonna head to preview night. You know what it is, back with my brother Broke Skull, in for another fucking crazy adventure. Burbank Card Show is about to be crazy. You know how we do. You know how we do.
Doing it!
Ah. Yo, we making a deal with my dude Wiz right now. Grabbing some Mac Jones. Even though he said he's trying to jump out the football game. It's okay. It's okay. We're making a deal with my dude, Lost Level Card Shop. Brand new, about to open up. Definitely check it out. Out there in Claremont, California. He's grabbing some Zards, grabbing some A-Rod. You see, some Mahomes. Autograph on Instagram, on YouTube, everywhere.
Go follow my man. Go follow him. He's getting paid for some Mahomes.
My dude Mealy Pop, out to grab some nice Mahomes. Can't go wrong with Mahomes. Look at that. Shit hits like a chain, you know what I mean? I appreciate you, brother.
Stained glass for some cash.
Yeah.
How about that?
Oh, easy, brother. Thank you. Working a deal with my guy Binked It for the Holland.
What's up, guys?
Can't go wrong with some Holland, you know what I mean?
Never.
It's always a holiday when Holland's out here.
Future best scorer ever.
Yes, sir.
This guy's got the best Soch collection I've seen here.
I do.
He's a beast.
I do. You should see the shit at home. Doesn't feel too cookies.
Jerky Soch, like you said, those could rise up. So a bunch of Soch. 11 Soch.
I'll show you my personal collection. I got like, I have his first RTA, the 101. I got all kinds of things.
He was cheap too. He's rising up.
Well, I seen you're doing Kelvin. He's a fucking beast too, man.
Brandon Miller's.
I got there's an auto Brandon Miller here too. Yeah. It's money. You're gonna make your bread.
I said I'm gonna make my bread.
I know you seen the pig in the sauce card or something. Yeah, rookie patch autograph.
What is it again?
Rookie patch autograph.
Rookie patch autograph. And we got a camera right there. Let's go. COD 4K. Appreciate you, bro. Hey, that's our deal today.
Let's go. Let's go.
We got it.
We'd like to ask everybody's cooperation if you can move out in a timely and safe manner. And we will all see you again tomorrow. For all dealers, earliest you can come in.
Working a deal with my dude Cross and Cards. 700 for the Beckham. That's as American soccer as he can get.
Yep.
I appreciate you, man. Thank you, man.
Yeah, what's your name?
Javon. I'll go buy Yo, this is the most smacking shit at Denny's, bro. Biscuits, chicken, and gravy, man. Fire. Got myself one. Yo, humans are fucking cruel, dude. Who the fuck would throw this away, man? We just pulled this guy out of the garbage, man. Why would you ever throw away this puppy, man? Look him in his eyes, man. Look at that. He's going home with broke skull, man.
Leads her home.
Day's over. Today was absolutely crazy, man. Shout out to Burbank Cards for hands down throwing one of the dopest card shows out there. It was dope. Bought a lot of stuff. Sold everything. Shout out to Mojo, man. Huge shout out to Mojo. Shout out to my dude Wiz. Yeah, man. Today was awesome, man. Stay tuned for day 2 tomorrow. Make sure if you haven't already, please hit that like button. Drop a comment, even if it's talking shit about my horrible taste in cards. And make sure you subscribe. Stay up.